Hello everybody. I would like to welcome you all to attend this class. Today we shall discuss about a critical appreciation of a story, a moment of eternity. As you all know that the story is introduced through flashback technique. This technique enables the readers to go back to scene set in an earlier time than the main story. The story is introduced through flashback when the narrator, who is a murderer, awaits the judgment. The style of narration is excellent. According to the narrator, some of the people believer of myths destroy their life and achieve a moment of eternity. A moment of eternity is a modern version of the age-old Savitri Satyavan myth. As I told you in the last class, the story is totally focused on Hindu mythological concept. So the same thing, how in the olden days Savitri was trying to fight against the death god Yamam to bring the life of her husband. The same thing is going to be happen in this story. It is a beautiful story revealing the agonies and anguish of a mother's soul. Living in imaginary world can harm. One has to live well before death. It reflects the condition of an Indian widow who wanted to be Savitri. As I told you, an Indian widow woman wanted to become a Satyavan Savitri when she had lost her husband. But ultimately, she became one of the frustrated lady and failure lady. It is a story of widow who cannot take up responsibility and she is left with no other color but suicide. It is a pathetic picture of poverty and helpless motherhood. A Moment of Eternity is a beautiful story written by Bhavani Bhattacharya. He is a great Indian novelist, short-story writer, and a biographer. The story A Moment of Eternity is a modern version of the age-old Savitri Satyavan myth. In the modern story, the heroine fails to bring back her husband to life, so she kills her children and tries to commit suicide. She is imprisoned for double murder. The story is a pathetic tale of poverty. What she had done was to save her children from extreme poverty. She wanted to become a Savitri. It reflects the condition of an Indian woman left without a husband. She cannot fend for herself and she is left with no other choice but suicide. At last, in this story, the narrator of a story is going to explain or focus on how a woman is going to become helpless when she has lost her husband. And ultimately, she gave a poison to her children, two children, and murdered them. She became one of the convicted or a murderer in the story. So like this, the narrator goes on to explain and ultimately she became a helpless lady. Now let us see, there are some questions which are going to be studied here. Number one, the writer has used flashback technique in the story. There are two options, false or true. Answer is true. Next one, believer in myths. There are three options. Achieve a moment of eternity, destroy their life, both. Answer is both. Next question. In a moment of eternity, Savitri is given punishment for double murder because she was mad, she had killed Sona and Mona, she wanted to be goddess. Answer is she had killed her Sona and Mona. Next one, why was Mona's father worried all the time? He was insane, he was unemployed, he never wanted children. Answer is he was unemployed. Next question, what was the wish of Savitri to Yama? The next question, there are three options in this story: to give her husband's life back, to give her daughter's life, to take her life instead of her husband. Answer is to give her husband's life back. So, like this, you can make or create some of the questions which are related to this story and get answer one by one. So, hoping that you have understood this story in little bit what I explained here. Now, if you want to get a more knowledge, you can take a benefit of some reference books like Literary Spectrum, Professor Ramesh Rathod and Dr. N.J. Patil, and some other sources from internet sources. So, hoping that it will be useful for you. Thank you.